My lovely YouTube friends, please don't tell anyone because we are going to cook unhealthy food today. Yep, once in a blue moon, I'll spoil myself with my favorite childhood food. I'm sure you know this food, right? But anyway, I try to have more healthy way to enjoy it. That is by frying it myself. There are ready-eat crackers sold outside, but if you want to have healthy version, then you need to make effort. And for best result, I like to put them under the sun about 2 hours before I fry them. So, just heat up a frying pan at medium-high heat and try to use a smaller size one, as you don't want to waste the cooking oil too much because you'll not use it anymore after the frying is done. There is a small technique to fry any type of crackers. Just wait till the oil is really hot, about 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. So if you have a bamboo or wooden stick, you can try to dip it in the oil. If there are some small bubbles around it, it means the oil is hot enough to be used to fry dried uncooked crackers. So you can give a soft pressing to make sure it is covered by the oil. And once it started to develop, quickly lift up one side of the frying pan so that it get enough oil to develop bigger. So I only fry about 30 pieces of this tapioca flour vegan crackers to last me for about 3 days. I will keep them in a tight container later on. And it is lucky my husband doesn't like crackers. Otherwise, I have to share them with him. I hope you enjoy watching, guys. If you want to support my channel to grow, please hit the like icon and leave a comment down below, okay? And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and leave a comment by typing subscribed. I will reply you. And oh yes, do not forget to tap the bell icon beside it so that you'll get a notification when I post a new video. Okay? These crackers are usually used as side dish too in some Southeast Asia countries. And they are often spotted in some food, especially in Indonesia and Malaysia, like for example, in a coconut rice. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, okay? Bye!